Hi guys, hi everyone. Welcome to Vlogs with Sai Inchara YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna say about my experience and how to deal with JEE exam. So JEE exam is joint entrance exam where you'll have two streams in it. Like first you'll have to attempt JEE mains and second you have to attempt JEE advanced. JEE means you'll write after your second year and all the first year and second year portions will be there for JEE mains. And if you qualify in JEE mains, you can go to NITs. That's like you should have above 90 percentile to go into NITs. It is National Institute of Technology. Next, you have to, after qualifying JEE mains, you have the option to write JEE advanced, and after you qualify in it, you'll go to IITs, that is Indian Institute of Technology. Why JEE is so important? I'll say you my life experience. When I after I completed my 10th, my no one said me that JEE is so important. They just said how to crack JEE. They said me what all you should do to crack JEE, but no one said why is JEE so important. JEE is very important in your life. I'm not saying it is the whole life of yours. It is important. Like if you crack it, there are many benefits. Firstly, placements. You will get assured placements. You don't need to go to someone and beg for your job. They will provide you job by seeing your performance. And secondly, you'll explore your life like anything. If you go there, your talent will automatically come out. You will learn, you will know what are your benefits, what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses. You'll learn from everything. When you come out after 4 years there, when you come out after completing your 4 years of engineering, you will be a different you. You'll be a different you, I assure it. So I didn't have that much knowledge that time, and I did not see YouTube videos why is JEE important. I just saw how to crack JEE and all. How to crack JEE is not important. Why is JEE important is the first question should come in your mind. When you know the importance of JEE, then automatically तुम जान लगा देते हो उसमें. See, there's a proverb I saw on YouTube, जान लगा दो या जाने दो. Like it is so nice. Complete interest, you read or else don't read at all. It depends on you. If you are rich, if your parents are very nice, they can afford you seat here in Bangalore, or they can get into direct management quotas. If you are not, if you want to study on your own with less fees, then you have to work hard. I'm not saying you to work hard, work smart. Work smart. The next question there is, what will you lose if you do not qualify in JEE? Okay, after not qualifying in JEE, you have next option as CET, or if you are in other states, MSET, or different exams are there. Maharashtra MHCET, like that. You have different exams. There you have this common entrance test for every city. This common entrance test is just the question of your speed. Whatever you have read, to execute there you have to have time management. It is very important. Okay, this thing I'm saying you now, only keep it in your mind. For CET, time management is very much important. Okay. uh, After, okay, you will get a rank in CET. If you get good rank, okay. If you don't get that good rank, you have to again search for colleges, counseling process. It is so big process. Okay, instead of that, JEE is far better than CET according to me. But JEE is not life. Again, I'm stressing, JEE is not complete life. After JEE, you have CET. If not CET, you have other career options also. See, but keeping an exam as your preference, it is good. It is good to keep one exam as your preference. JEE, it will change your life. I can assure you, it will change your life. So please focus on JEE. My life story is, no one said me when I've entered my college, no one said me how important are these exams. Importance is, it is very important to know about an exam before going into it. That is what I learned in these many days. So please start focusing. Work smart than working hard. Understand the concept. Understanding is very important. Analyzing is very important. Solving questions is very important. Than theory, focus on solving questions. We all wasted our time in theory. Please do not do that. Solve questions. Solve as many as questions possible. take previous year papers, solve. If JEE, you'll have time in exam hall. Like if you are thoroughly prepared, then max will be your lengthiest paper. I'm saying you CET, please focus. Time management is very important. Before giving CET exam, solve at least 30 to 40 mock papers. This is all I wanted to say in this video. Thank you. Do well in your upcoming exams. Please focus. Never you will think this is the time to enjoy. No, in engineering 4 years you'll have time to enjoy. Now